Hi everyone, it's Fiona here from Lavender Blue. Welcome back to my channel. And today is Freebie Friday once again. If you're new to my channel, I have a free printable every Friday in my Facebook group, which I'll link below, and then we make something with it. So today, this is the printable. We've got 4 large tags. And what I've done is I've been making little envelopes with them. So it's a really quick, easy little project, nothing difficult about it. So yeah, and this one I've just put a little, that's a faux, it's not a real, what are they called? Wax seal. It's a faux wax seal there. So you can just dress them up however you like. You could put a little closure there, some lace across here. But I just thought that was a really cute little idea. I was watching, I think it was Angela, no it wasn't. I think it was G Kerr, G or Gee, I'm not sure how you pronounce her name. And she did some similar, so yeah, it's a really different thing that you can do with your tags. If you've got long tags, you can turn them into these little pockets. And then with this one, I left this one a full tag, and then I've stuck down this one and left a little tuck spot behind there as well. So that's another idea. So really quick, I'm just going to show you how I did that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these out and I'll be back. Okay, so I have all my little bits cut out and I'm just going to ink them up. I've got tea dye distress ink. Quite like this one because it's kind of really subtle. But if you don't want it too dark, you can sort of go quite mad with this ink, and it's, you know, it's not, it doesn't overpower everything. Just depends what project I'm doing, but I quite like it. You can rub all over the back of this one with this, I think. So that's the one that I won't be folding up. And then the others actually, I might fold them first because I need to ink inside where the little, well, inside here and around here you can see, so you want to ink that up. So all I do is no measuring. I'm just, you know, just eyeballing it. So just fold that up to roughly, I don't know, I do it about maybe 1.5 centimeters from where this line starts to become straight. You know, that's about, I think, 1.5 centimeters, or maybe, hang on, what would that be? It's probably like 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, but I mean, it depends on the size of your tag and everything, but just so that this straight bit still comes down, like leave a gap here to get things in and out. But so that covers those side bits there. So I just do it like that, and you can get your bone folder. I think I've lost mine. Oh, here it is. Just score that a little bit better. And then I'm going to do the other little one. Well, I could actually stick that one on there if I wanted to, with a little one, and then make the 2 big ones this time. And you can also obviously put the little one on top of the big one, whichever way that you want to do it. So let's do this one. I might bring it down a little bit this time, a little bit further. I probably don't need to make the pockets as big as what I'm making them. Just bring that down. And this one. So I printed mine out onto cardstock. It's fairly thin cardstock, but you can still use just, you know, some thicker, some printer paper. So let's just ink these ones up. So really quick and easy. It's pretty self-explanatory, but just fold them up and glue them, and then embellish them however you like. And I've made them, you know, kind of a neutral colour, so that you know, you can add your embellishments as to your whatever colours you're going for, because they'll match with anything. So this is what I've decided to do with these tags this week, but if anyone has any other ideas, you know, what you can do with them, I'd be really interested to see if you can make a video or a photo and share it in the group. That would be awesome. Always interested to see other people's ideas. And then you can cut your little notch out in here if you want to. I didn't do that on any of mine. I just left them like this. But if you can, I might just do it with this one. So just a little notch in the middle there. And that wasn't very straight, never mind. Well, not quite in the centre, but almost. So you've got your little notch for getting things in and out a bit easier there. So, yeah, just glue these down. So we'll just glue on the two sides on the actual pocket piece. Oops, that was a bit crooked. Like that. I hope you're all going well today, doing some crafting. I haven't been too well, so that's why my project is a little bit late. well, I'm hoping it'll still be Friday by the time I upload this video, but it'll be a bit later in the day. Okay, so that's them stuck down. So for embellishing, as I said, yeah, I used buttons on a couple of them and just a little bit of cheesecloth and a little bit of, oh, not sure what you call it, fibres, yeah. And you know, you can add lace, whatever you want to. This little one fits in there like that too, that looks cute. So I probably won't embellish these ones on camera. I mean, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, and you can embellish them up however you like, but I just think it's a cute idea. If you have any tall tags and you're not sure, like with a printable kit or something, and you want to do something with it, you can just make these little envelopes. And I might glue down a little one onto this one just for something different. Might do that now. Just glue down 2 sides and the bottom. My hands are shaking a little bit today. Could put it up the top too, it doesn't have to be down the bottom. Let me see. I think I might put this one here. And there you go, another little pocket. Okay, so that's the Freebie Friday for today. I hope you enjoyed this little project. If you do something with these, please share it in my Facebook group. I'd really love to see what you do. And as I said, to anyone new watching, I have a free printable every Friday and we make something with it. So I'll link my Facebook group below. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, again, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.